Hi all, today I'm trying to install AliExpress app in my Android phone. So as you know, AliExpress is already banned in India from last November. So when searching in Play Store, we are not seeing the original AliExpress app. Everything is fake apps in Play Store now, especially in India. So yeah, so let's try to install one APK from uh, software. So I will provide the link in my description. So let's try this one. So yeah, let's click on download. Yeah, download APK. Yeah, so it's downloading now. So after okay, AliExpress is blocked, we cannot install or we cannot buy anything from AliExpress to India. So I have added a video about that one in the it is shown in the link above. So if you want to see, you can see that. So this one is got installed, and yeah, as you can see, it is working fine, and it is also showing that notice like uh, it cannot ship to India, but still we can see if any other order we have already placed, we can see that in the my order list. So yeah, if you click on my account and go to order, you can see all of your orders there. Yeah, so I have ordered one uh, headphone, and yeah, as you can see, it is still in transit. So yeah, I can track everything in the app itself, so it's working fine. So I will provide the link to download this APK in my description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.